beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and tender pork shoulder in a slow cooker. Yes, in a slow cooker. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing pork shoulder, this is what we're gonna use. I have salt, Mexican oregano, cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Coca Cola, of course your pork shoulder, 2 garlic heads, 1 onion, and of course your slow cooker. This is everything we need. It's going to cook for about 5 hours and it's going to come out so juicy and tender. Let's get started. I want to start here with my onion, and I have a large onion. I'm going to go ahead and slice the edges, take the edges off, and then take the skin from the outside off. Look at this. This is what it's going to give the juices, the drippings of the shoulder, pork shoulder, an amazing taste. Well, here I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to continue with the 2 garlic heads. I'm going to remove just a little bit from the top, from both of them, just like this. And it really doesn't take too long. But these 2 ingredients are going to make the meat and the drippings so delicious. Look at this. And of course, I'm going to put them aside, and I'm going to go ahead and arrange them in my slow cooker. Look at this. I'm going to add it on the bottom, and now I am ready with the spices. I have the salt, the garlic, the Mexican oregano, the cumin, the smoked paprika, the black pepper, and I am ready to start adding 1 tablespoon of each dry ingredient. Look at this. The colors look amazing, and this is going to be a dry rub. All those beautiful dry colors of the spices really going to give a delicious and amazing taste to my pork shoulder. And here I'm adding just a little bit of the cumin, and you are going to have the complete recipe on the description box. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate all the dry ingredients. They need to be nice and incorporated, and I am ready to start assembling this amazing dish. I'm going to add a little bit right on the top of the onion and the garlic heads. I'm going to add my Coca Cola on the sides. 1 whole Coca Cola really makes a difference, okay? You guys are really going to love this amazing recipe. And here I have my pork shoulder. I'm going to go ahead and rub all the dry ingredients, making sure that I cover completely every side of the pork shoulder. Look at this. This pork shoulder is going to come out so juicy, so tender. And of course, I'm not going to throw away the leftovers on this plate. I'm going to go ahead, put the pork shoulder in the center, and then add all the rest of the dry ingredients right on the top. Look at this. You could see the onion, you could see the garlic right on the bottom, and now I am ready to prepare it. I'm going to go ahead, cook it for 5 hours in high heat in the slow cooker, and then I'll see you when it's done. After the 5 hours, now this is the time to reveal how this pork shoulder looks. All those drippings on the bottom Don't throw them away. We are gonna shred our pork shoulder right on those juices. But first, I'm gonna go ahead, remove it. I'm gonna make sure that I get out of all those drippings, the onion and the garlic. And there's a garlic right on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead, remove the onion and the garlic, and I'm going to put back the pork shoulder. I'm gonna pull it apart and let me show you how this looks. It's really tender, really juicy, and this is the part I really love and enjoy, sharing with you the recipes we love here at home. Of course, I'm gonna have my son help me record when I make and enjoy my amazing tacos, homemade tacos with this pulled pork. This came out amazing. My son is helping me by recording me while I'm getting all this shredded pork out of the slow cooker. I am going to enjoy it with this amazing tacos with coleslaw and chili oil. My tortillas are done, and guess what? My son was so excited that he did not record when I was assembling my tacos. Well, here I am. I can't wait to enjoy, and I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this pork shoulder made in the slow cooker. It's really tender, really moist. And I added, of course, I wanted to add some coleslaw and I wanted to enjoy it in delicious tacos. I even added the chili oil right on the top, but I'm gonna stop talking because I really want to enjoy this amazing tacos. Look at this. I know that once you make pork shoulder, you are going to love it. Excuse me. The coleslaw right on the top, the chili oil. This is just perfection made at home. It doesn't have to be Tuesday to enjoy a taco. You could enjoy it any day of the week. And this is how I wanted to enjoy my pork shoulder. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this delicious and amazing pork shoulder at home in the slow cooker. The meat really falls apart. It's really juicy, really soft. The flavor's amazing. And you already have the recipe for the coleslaw. You already have the recipe for the chili oil. This is the part I really love and enjoy, sharing with you my amazing recipes. If you liked and loved my recipes, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. The holidays are around the corner. Let's enjoy this amazing recipe. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.